Hello and welcome to this new video from YB.Digital about how to screen record your Windows 10 desktop. We will see two different tools that you can use to record your Windows 10 desktop. One of them you might already have, as it is the Microsoft PowerPoint software, and the second one is an online tool for which you do not need to install anything. That is called Flexclip. So let's start now with Microsoft PowerPoint. To screen record in Microsoft PowerPoint, all you have to do is open, of course, a presentation, open a new slide, add a new slide if you don't have one, and navigate in the menus to the menu Insert. Go to the right, Screen Recording, and you are set up to register your screen. You can start recording right away, or you can select the area that you want to record. You can select only a portion of your screen, but probably in most cases you will want to record your whole screen. All you have to do then is start the record button. You will have 3 seconds to get ready, and that's it. Microsoft PowerPoint is recording everything you are doing on your computer, and it includes a microphone. And so not the sound from your computer, so if you play sound it will not be included in the video recorded, but your microphone sound will be included. If you go to the top of the screen, you can push stop, or you can use the key combination Shift Windows Q to stop the recording. The recording will be included as an object in your PowerPoint in the current slide. You can play it. You can check it, you can delete it if you don't like it and start a new recording. Or if you like it, and so you can either include it into your presentation, which is already the case, or right click on the video and select Save Media As to save it on your computer. We will now see how to screen record Windows 10 with Flexclip. All you have to do is go on Flexclip website, log in. If you actually you do not even need to pay, you can record for free, or the only limitation will be the resolution for export. So you can create an account, log in with Google. All you have to do is create a new project, go to storyboard mode. You can select the ratio of the video you want to create. So in our case, we will select 16:9 because we are recording our screen, our computer screen. So we want the computer screen format. This will start a new project in which you can add as many multimedia files as you want. Once it is loaded, so you have a new project. You can directly go to actually their video library, and you can import free videos from internet to add to your presentation, or you can go to the media option, recording, and select the screen record option. There you can select what you want to record, either the entire screen, one specific window, on one specific tab on your browser. In our case, we want the entire screen, and you can select to include computer sounds. By default, it's not the case. And as soon as you push the button, the screen record starts. So whatever you do on your desktop will be included in the video. For example, if you create a slide on PowerPoint, you want to show how to create a slide on PowerPoint, you can present PowerPoint and stop. And when you are done with your video, you can go back to Flexclip and push the stop recording button. You will have the option to review the video you've just created. You can play it. You can re-record directly if you don't like it, or you can add it to your media library, in which case you can use it with other videos to create a video montage and a nice video to export to YouTube or wherever you like. And the video will be directly both inserted in your project and downloaded on your computer in the download folder as a WebM video. So WebM meaning optimized for web. It's the preferred format to publish on the web because it is very highly compressed, and it is better to include in your website. So that's it for this small video. I hope that you are now able to record your screen as you like. If you have any question, please add a comment, don't hesitate, or visit the website for even more tools that allow you to screen record your desktop, your Windows 10 desktop for free. On my article, the link is in the bio, the description of this video, and you will also have links to open an account on Flexclip for free and screen record your desktop for free, or to download Microsoft Office, but there you will have to pay for a license. So if you really only want to screen record your desktop, it's probably better just to use Flexclip, and you will be able to export your video in 720p for free, or you can get a license to export in 1080p. But 720p is already more than enough, and you can screen record for free, play a bit with your screen recording, export it, and then edit it like I am doing on OpenShot or any software you like to use to work on your videos. Thank you for listening, and see you soon for another video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel if you liked it, and please press the thumbs up icon also if you liked it. That would mean a lot. Thank you.